Hey guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. I am here today to share my design team project for White Rose Crafts. And this time I've altered a couple of little boxes for gifts. And I did them in kind of a love theme, as you can see here. This is a like a balsa wood box, this one, and this is a wooden box, this one. And the paper that I used on these is by 13 Arts, called Rosalie. And you can see how beautiful this paper is. I'm absolutely in love with the 13 Arts paper that White Rose Crafts carries in the store. It's amazing. There's like several different kinds, and well, there's a ton of selection of paper anyway. But let me get started with my boxes, and we'll start with this one. So I painted the box with just some deco art, like off-white paint. And I added the paper around the box and on the top of the box. And then I used some pink ribbon from my stash, and I used the beautiful buckle slider here that's from White Rose Crafts. It's pearl and rhinestone, just to capture my ribbon there, and I just love how that looks. And then on the top, I used some chipboard hearts. And I also used, let me see if I have it here. I'm sure I have it somewhere. So the chipboard is these ones by Creative Embellishments, and you get 4 in a package. So I used one of the hearts on there. And there's a big selection of chipboard in the store as well. And then, what else did I use here? Hang on. Of course, I'm not organized. What else is new? I also used some ephemera, which I don't seem to have here with me at the moment, but I'll show you this one. There is some ephemera for the Rosalie collection, and this is for another one. This one's called Unforgettable, but they're really nice ephemera pieces. So, and this is another paper line that I got as well, which is here. Yeah, it's this one, Unforgettable. So I'm going to be doing a project with this one, and this one is in like blacks and creams and pinks and whites, or reds and whites, pardon me. Really, really pretty. And this is the ephemera that goes with it. And I got the ephemera for the Rosalie, but I don't seem to have it. And of course, I'll find it after I go offline. But I also got the 12 card set as well for the Rosalie, which these are going to make great journaling cards. So that was my thought process behind getting those. Do I have it here? I don't think I do. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe not. Okay. Anyway, I don't seem to have it here. But that's what the ephemera is from. It's from 13 Arts Rosalie collection, and they do have it in the store. So that's what the ephemera that I used on this one is. And it does look like, this, same as the Unforgettable one. So it's got all these really pretty pieces in it. So after I put the paper down, I used the chipboard heart, and I just added some gesso to it. And then I used this little image of these sweet little girls. And the love and the bird cage are all from the ephemera set. And then the flowers I used are from Kaisercraft. Oh, and of course, there's my ephemera. Duh. So there's the ephemera pack. So you get lots in it. I don't know if it says how many, but you can see there, 42 pieces. So you get 42 pieces. That's a lot. So there's lots of really cool ephemera bits in there and pretty roses and things. So I used these 2 flowers, and White Rose Crafts has a huge selection of flowers. These are the Kaisercraft ones, and I've gotten different colors before, but this time I got pink and white. So that's what I used here. Really simple, easy project. This butterfly is from my stash, so that's really the only thing in the ribbon. Everything else is from White Rose Crafts on there. And I just painted the inside, and it's going to have a little gift going on the inside for somebody. So that's the first box. And then the second box is a wooden box in a rectangle. And I used more of the Rosalie paper. And I just Mod Podged the paper on. And this is another chipboard piece that I used, which I don't know if I have any of that one left. It's little hearts. I don't think I have any of that one left. I think I cut the whole thing up. Oh, wait a minute, I do. Okay, so that's this piece. There's lots in there. And you can stack these up, which I may do. It's got the solid piece, and it's got the one with the little heart cut out in it. So you could put something underneath that, or mix media these, which I may do with those. So that's what I used back here. And again, I just added a bit of gesso, another butterfly from my stash, and then this is the ephemera, the rose piece, the vintage word, and I used another bird cage. And there you can see more of the hearts here as well. Very simple, but effective and easy to do. And you can see I just painted the inside of the box. So it's just going to have, it's just going to be a little gift for somebody. So those are the pieces that I used from White Rose Crafts. I love this paper. It's beautiful. And the ephemera is gorgeous as well. So check out White Rose Crafts, and remember that if you do, you can use the code KIM15 and get 15% off your order. And the link to White Rose Crafts will be in the description box below, so please go over and check that out. Use your discount code, get 15% off, and yeah. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful holiday season, and my lives will be back in the new year in January. I'm just taking a bit of a break for the holiday season, and yeah, I'll be back in the new year. So I will see you guys then. Happy holidays to everybody, and check out White Rose Crafts. The link is in the description. Bye, guys.